Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. This is part of our multi-video series we're doing about swapping out the core support radiator assembly here in the sedan delivery shop car. And as you see, Herman is doing a bit of cleanup. Obviously, anytime you're pulling a radiator out, you're going to make a mess. I don't care what anybody says. It's going to happen. So what we've done, obviously, we got everything drained. We talked a little bit earlier. We showed we had got that condenser assembly out. We've got radiator hoses undone. Jason, you want to come in here a little closer? And essentially, I think we're ready to pull the radiator, aren't we, Herman?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we got it all unbolted. This obviously is in a 6-cylinder configuration on a 57. So what we're swapping out here, folks, is not just the radiator. We're going to take the radiator out, the core support, and we're going to install one of the brand new billet core support assemblies from Cold Case, which has got a cross-flow radiator assembly and an AC condenser. So let's go ahead and let's go to tearing down here. We've been waiting on this long enough. Let's get her done.
Yeah.
So that's got to come out. And obviously being in a 6-cylinder configuration and, hey, we're making a bigger mess.
Yeah.
So again, we're moving that around. One thing different we are going to have to do on this car, obviously, this radiator, brass and copper, and this was obviously set up for an automatic transmission. So now, as part of this swap out, we're going to have to put an external cooler on that. So that's part of everything we got to figure out as well, but we got to go ahead and get the rest of the fan out, which is obviously mounted to the core support, and then go ahead and get the core support itself off of it. So once that's done, then we're going to hopefully be able to come right back down with their core support assembly and bolt that down. So
in theory, that's going to work.
Yeah, in theory, folks, in theory. But again, anytime you're doing stuff like this, whether it's you're putting it back to a factory spec or we're putting something like this in the car that we're talking about here, be prepared to do a little engineering on your own. These cars there's not one of them that are the same. Give me 10 Tri-5s, 10 muscle cars, Impalas, pickup trucks. I don't care what you're working on. Give me 10 of them in a row. I'm going to come up with 10 different sets of measurements on just about everything. And it's just, unfortunately, it's the way they are. These were not put together with the strict tolerances that we use today on late models. So be prepared to do a little bit of stuff. So just a quick review. Obviously, we evacuated the system. We pulled the AC condenser out. Now we got the radiator out. We already pulled the battery and everything loose. That's obviously number one that we're going to do is get the electrical system disconnected. Got that done. So next we're going to go ahead and pull the fan assembly and then pull the core support. And we should be ready to unbox and kind of, look at Cold Case's product and kind of give a bit of review on that first before we slap it in. So come back with us. We'll be back here for some more video on the Cold Case core support swap out on the sedan delivery.